Team Tribula.
Hayag ko siya.
Be? Ala, yaga kayo.
Parang buntag na.
Duzi.
Kaya Beneban Pasto
Uy, balik mo.
Cordoba Stefan Kudri. Wala iluwas wala Enriquez. Enriquez kita kepasangan Pasto Danay ko saludsud. Wala na kawan ni Ketendeg Tumalyaw.
Karanat.
Cordoba Enriquez. Enriquez Duplicot. Enriquez. Yes, connect to one Enriquez. Cordoba. Stay by Cordoba. Malaw. Using the basket. Connect to one by Malaw. Saludsud dito na bola. Saludsud to Lapi. Pasto Enriquez. Kahilya. Blok. Wala na ko ni Kahilya. Kahilya to Lapi to meron ng tres. Wala na ko ni Patipol. Hindi. It's a flagrant violation committed by the team there. Team for basketball. Last 5 minutes and 58 seconds. Cordoba.
Yan!
Committed by Cordoba. Team 3 basketball.
Good! Sakto lagi.
41.
Daloy dribble the ball. Kahilya. It's a foul. Foul committed by the team. Katinding again there. Third personal foul. First team foul. 2 free throws for Kahilya. Wala. Last roll. Jumpers ready. Jumpers ready for the last row. Yes, correct. 1 point all. Kahilya. Aliaw dribble the ball. Back to Cordoba. Cordoba to Kahilya usok pukul ng tres. Wala nakuha ni. Sino nakakuha nun? Si Labi. Pasto, saludsud. Dribble the ball. Saludsud, crossover. Saludsud, lumusot. Wala, nakalisot. Nakuha ni Cordoba. Intercepted by Kahilya. Nakuha ni Cordoba again. Cordoba nila kapasahan para sa Kahilya. Kahilya, lumusot. Wala, nakuha ni Enriquez. Foul committed by Desierto Yedgar. First personal foul. Second team foul. First throw attempt. No good. Last throw for Kahilya. The first ready. Wala, nakuha ni Enriquez. Foul is a blocky foul committed by Kahilya. Kahilya second personal foul. Third team foul. 14 seconds to shoot. That's one time. Cordoba lumusot. Wala. Nakuha ni Itigdem. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Kahilya to Lapi. Using the glass. Yes. Tuning 2 points Lapi. Warning for technical. Kahilya. Illegal use of hands. Illegal pakpak. Cordoba dribbling the ball. Cordoba. Aras special unsur. Cordoba. Between the legs. Cordoba. Malaya using the glass. Wala na kuha ni Cordoba again. Here is one. Cordoba. Yes, connect 2 points Cordoba. Counted. Wala na. Saludsod, dribbling na po. Saludsod na telisod. Diyan na Kailia, wala. Kailia using the glass. Yes, connect 2 points by Kahilya. Cordoba to Kailia.
Oh, counted to. Counted.
Connect 2 points Kahilya. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds, third quarter. Kahilya. Ay, saludsod eh. Gara si Kahilya. Saludsod. Kasi natindi. Magoy Danay. Yes. Connect 2 points by Danay. Cordoba at Mamalyaw. Masok sa tagas. Wala nakuha ni Kahilya. Pasto. Natindin Kahilya. Wala. Abang Mamalyaw is in the glass. Connect 2 points Mamalyaw. Last 1 minute. Third quarter. Score 41 against 29. Danay goes over. Danay lumusot. Danay bumitaw. Wala. Danay using the glass. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Cordoba. To Kahilya. Kahilya. Pass. Taludsod. Last 30 seconds. Lapit. Tuminang 3. Last 25 seconds. Third quarter. Danay. Last 22 seconds. Escape by Mamalyaw. Last 18 seconds. Last 15 seconds. Wala sa clock. Last 13 seconds. Counted. 2 points. Connect. Mamalyaw. Last 10 seconds. Foul lalo. Foul. Pas may kasama bang counted. Foul donated by who's foul rep? Kahilya Intay. You get your third personal foul. Warning for team penalty. Resort substitution. Last. Of the third quarter. Chan, kuan ba goes into one. Pili pa mo